These three songs will help you to fix your left hand problems. Let me show you how. The first song is the classic Billie Jean by Michael Jackson, and this song is really good for help you with your hand independence and dynamics. And make sure to download the PDF file for free. The link is in the description down below. So, to play this song, let's get started with the left hand. So you play F sharp, C sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, and C sharp again. This will be our pattern. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the right hand you play C sharp with F sharp, D sharp with G sharp, just slide down to E and A, and then again D sharp with G sharp. So you have and to get a better sound, make sure to play doing staccato, like this. And try to play with the both hands at the same time could be a little bit tricky. And the tip for that, every time you play the F sharp on the left hand, you're gonna play the right hand together. So, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Of course, keep going with the notes on the right hand. So again, right, 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 right. Always with the F sharp. So let me play this whole part for you. For the second song, we have Don't Stop Believin by Jargon, and this song is so good for your precision and dexterity. By the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, let's learn the left hand first. We have E, F sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, C sharp again, D sharp, E, A, D sharp, E, and play again E, one octave below, and then start it again. F sharp, G sharp, B, exactly the same thing, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp, play this G sharp as well in the next octave, go back to G sharp, A natural, D sharp, and E. Again, only the left hand. And then start all over again. For the right hand, start to play B, E, and B, and you play start with the top two notes and then the bottom note. This is a group, so you play 4 times the same group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you move this E to F sharp and keep these two B's, and exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back to E again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have some difference to play. You move this B to A and this B to A, both B's to A. We're here and then now we're here. And the same pattern. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom for 4 times. And for the second line, you're gonna repeat almost exactly the same. So E, B, and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move this E to F again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on the third measure, you have something different going on. So you're gonna move this F sharp to G sharp, this movement, and keep both B's. Top, bottom for 4 times. And then you move this D sharp to E and both B's to A, like this. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, 4 times. Playing only the right hand, you sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let me play now with the both hands for you. Third song, This Love by Maroon 5. And this song is really good for your hand independence by playing different rhythms at the same time. Let's get started with the left hand. You're gonna play B doing octaves. But if play like this is gonna be a little bit hard for you, you can play just doing a single note, just the root. So back, start again with B, and then B, D, C, G, G flat or F sharp, F, F again, E flat, D, A flat, and B flat. And just remember, you can play doing octaves or just the root. Let me play only the left hand for you. Now, the right hand, start play with G over B, which is B, D, and G. And you're gonna play this for 4 beats doing the 8th notes, which means 2 notes per beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and doing staccato as well. Not like this. Next chord, C minor, C, E flat, G, the same rhythm, 4 beats with 2 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next one, F minor 7, you play C, E flat, F, A flat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the final one, it's a D diminished 7th, which we play B, D, F, and A flat, doing the same rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and play only the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 the trick here, my friends, it's when you try to play with both hands at the same time, because at the beginning you have the both hands playing together, but by the third beat, by the third tempo, you have the first alone, so 3 and 4 and 3 again. Let's do one more time. So let's get started. 1 and 2 and 3 and together the half time, and then only the right hand, only the left, and only the right again. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right. And exactly the same rhythm, the same logic we apply for the next chord as well. For example, C minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and exactly the same thing. Now, let me play this for you. And to learn different patterns for the left hand like this, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.